My name is Maria, also known as Cake Plug. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super trendy vintage heart cake. In the beginning of the video, I showed you guys two different photos, and then those pictures were provided by the customer, and they were her inspiration photos for her cake design. After looking at both photos, I started off in the beginning with creating some squiggly lines, and then just from there going with the flow. I started off with a number 4 piping tip and also used a skinny star tip. Now I'm not really thinking about the piping too much, so I'm sort of just going in and freehanding all the squiggly lines. Now for the bottom border, I'm going in with the 1M piping tip, and I'm going to go ahead and do the reverse L piping technique. When it comes to cakes that have this type of design, you sort of just kind of want to go with the flow and not really think about it too much. In the beginning, it looks a little bit scary, but that's when you kind of gotta trust the process and just start off with bigger pieces, see what that looks like, and then fill in the gaps. Also, you'll notice that I overlap the buttercream a lot. I think, my personal opinion, to me, it makes it pop and gives it a little bit more depth, so I am repeating that throughout the cake a lot. How to make buttercream roses. You want to start off by piping in a circle a pile of buttercream. Going in with the rose tip skinny side facing up, we're going to go ahead and create this little hole in the middle. As you finish piping each row of pep, you want to slightly move your rose tip outwards to give it that effect of a sprouted flower. For the rest of the cake, I'm going to just be repeating the process of adding fine detail to the cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. For my buttercream roses, I did end up popping them in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and that should be perfect enough. And they're going to be nice and firm, so you can go ahead and grab them and unpeel them from the parchment and place them on the cake very easily. And now the final step is to do the edible pearls, and we are going to be adding them one by one with tweezers. Last and final step for this gorgeous cake is to add the edible luster dust, and this is gonna make the whole cake. And that is it. That is how you make this super cute trendy cake design. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, a share, comment. I will be posting a lot more cake tutorials, so please stay tuned. Bye guys.